All right, it is officially time that we draw the winner for the LASFIT compressor system. I'm not pulling it back out. It's all buried down underneath there, but you saw it in the first video, but you'll get to win that that $500 value compressor inflator setup from LASFIT, and we are about to go in the house, go in the computer. You're going to do it with me. We're going to do it together, and we're going to find out who actually wins that. So stick around, and then for those of you that don't win, remember, there is a discount code in this video for their 25% off on through their Amazon store, and then every one of my other videos have links to, or have a discount code for the rest of the year where you can get 20% off of anything that LASFIT has. So that stuff is all down in the videos for you below. But like I said, let's go dive in and see who the winner is. All right, hey everybody, we're back, and here we go. We are going to pick this. We are on YouTube Random Comment Picker here, and what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. We're going to grab this video right there. It's our video that we did this on. We're going to hit that. We're going to come into this, and we're going to paste it right here and hit fetch and see what it does. We're going to use keywords. We are going to put in, select, we want keywords, keyword filter. And our word we're looking for here is going to be all capital letter LASFIT. Like I told you guys, you got to put in there. We are going to exclude replies and no duplicates in case people commented more than once. And there it is. And we have that one picked. Let's go ahead and hit the button. And we're loading it. It's counting how many comments there were. And 206 comments right there are loaded that had that in there. And let's pick a winner and see who you are. And picked, and there it is. John Roman 75. You are the one. It is the winner of this LASFIT compressor giveaway kind of thing. So I will try to find you on there and reach out to you, but also reach out to me. But looks like you are the winner. And to everybody else, do not forget that in that ad or in there, you have the discount codes in here too. See, it's right here. If you click on this more, so you can see it right here, exclusive discount code, 25% off. This code right here, and you get this one working through here for the Amazon store that they have on here. And then if you also go to any of my other LASFIT videos, they have a 25% or 20% off. I think it's 20% off all the way through till December 31st for LASFIT as well. So definitely take advantage of those. I put these codes in almost every single video so you can get this LASFIT stuff for you there as well too. And again, huge shout out to John Roman 75, and you are the winner. There you go. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.